Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. I'm bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2012 Buick Enclave leather edition with 124,000 miles. This is a really nice one owner full-size SUV. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of the features. So you can see this Enclave has a really nice sort of burgundy or darker red exterior finish. Really no major blemishes to speak of at all. No major dents or scratches. No rust or corrosion. A lot of chrome details with this particular package. As we mentioned, one owner with only 124,000 miles. It's got the parking sensors in the back, dual exhaust, backup camera, and a clean title, so no salvage history, no flood history whatsoever. So here's a view of the driver's side. You can see the leather is in excellent condition, no rips or tears, no stains. Same for the headliner, in great shape. It's got the automatic climate control, heated seats, power seats. Lots of great features. AC is nice and cold. Cruise control. It's got the original floor mats, which are also nice and clean. Definitely a well taken care of SUV. Here's a view of the bucket seats here in the second row. Again, very clean. Very little wear and tear on this vehicle inside and out. It's got the rear climate control here in the center. Again, the original mats. And then of course these seats will fold down to give you access to the third row here in the back. Very clean on the inside, no smoky smell, no pet odor. Also has a power lift gate. Plenty of storage in the back. Nice little compartment right here that gives you some extra space. And then of course that third row will fold down to give you even more cargo space here in the back. Here on the passenger side, you can see it's the same story. Leather's in great condition. Really exceptional for a 2012. Has a little extra storage compartment there on the dash. It's nice wood grain details. Original books are also here in the glove box. Definitely well taken care of. Here's a quick view under the hood. Again, no rust or corrosion. Very clean. 3.6 liter V6 runs nice and smooth. The leather package also comes with some nice upgrades like these 20-inch chrome clad wheels that are in great condition. No curb rash, no rust or corrosion on any of the wheels. It also comes with a decent set of Cooper Discoverer tires. Only about 20% left on the tread, but still nice and smooth on the road. All right, thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2012 Buick Enclave leather edition with 124,000 miles. This one owner vehicle has lots of information available on our website, byronthomasauto.com, along with some additional pictures and a link to this video at our YouTube channel. And then of course you can check out our social media pages, Facebook and Instagram, for all the latest on this vehicle as well as the rest of the inventory on our lot. Have a great day.